Huh?
Yes, sir.
Rhombus. Rhombus is a figure like this. Diagonals are perpendicular, right? This is. So this is perpendicular to this, and all are perpendicular to each other. This is A, this is D, this is B, no, this is C, and this is D, right? Now you join the lines, you will get rhombus, right?
Yes, sir.
You get the rhombus. So this all sides are same. A, A, A. Diagonals are perpendicular bisectors. Means this is equal to this, right? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Look at here. This is equal to this, and this is equal to this, right? And all sides are equal to. This is called rhombus. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Now make. Do the solution. What is your question? You are saying there is an N, na? You just concentrate here, please. There is N. Like this. Like this. Right? This is. It is this. Now it is like this. This. Right? Now we come to this. And this. And this is the object you have, right? What is the thickness given to you? What is the thickness? This one, huh?
2 centimeter.
This is of 2 centimeter,
अंदर के साइड में
huh? This is also 2 centimeters. Fine, okay. This is also of 2 centimeter. 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 Right? And what about this?
This length is 9 centimeter.
This total length? Huh?
Yes.
This total length is 9 centimeter. Great. So this is 4. Sorry, this is 2. This is 2. So this is how much?
5.
5. This is of 5 centimeter. Fine.
6.
And this is how much? This is?
So this side given.
Huh?
This side given is
That does not matter, but from here to here it is 6, na?
9.
Huh?
9 centimeter.
This is also 9. Okay, this is 9 centimeter. This side also 9.
Yes.
This side also 9. Accepted. Now what? This much?
6 centimeter.
What is 6?
Inner line of N. Yes.
this side to this side, it is 6.
Yes.
This is of 6 centimeter.
That
Okay.
is
Huh?
6 centimeters.
That is also of 6 centimeter. Except that this is also 6 centimeter. Fine. So, what do you do? If you draw like this, so this is rectangle 1, rectangle 1, rectangle 2, and this is
कितने का था
288. Parallelogram,
288
parallelogram 1, parallelogram 1. This is parallelogram. Now, right? So, area rectangle पर्स में rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That is how much? 9 into 2 becomes 18 centimeter square. This is area rectangle 2. That is length into breadth. That is 9 into 2 becomes 18 centimeter square. Getting?
Yes.
And major concern is with this. That this is area parallelogram is equal to base into height. So base is 3 into height is equal to 5. So it is 15 centimeter square, right? So total area is equal to 18 centimeter square plus 15 centimeter square plus 18 centimeter square. So 18 or 18, 36 centimeter square plus 15 centimeter square, and you get how much?
51.
Oh, yeah, no, huh? 5 plus 6 becomes 11, 1 carry, yeah, 51. So 51 centimeter square is area, total surface, total area, right? So total area. What is your answer? Get this?
Yes.
Huh? Total area is
51.
okay. Great. Done it. There is tricky part is that this will be considered as a parallelogram, and this parallelogram will have height this. Right? You have to keep in mind. Maximum time children make a mistake. Right? So this is the base and this is the height. In this question, this is the main trick. These two you can find out easily, but you can mistake in finding the area of this. This you have to use. This is the height and this is the base. Right? Okay, do it. What about you, man? You have done first rhombus.
Sir, the answer is coming wrong.
What question you have?
Sir, each side of a rhombus is 13 centimeter and one diagonal is 10 centimeter.
Okay. So you are saying which question is this?
18.2 first question.
What is your question number?
The second question first one.
Second, first. What is your question number?
First question first.
बहुत बढ़िया. This is A is equal to
13.
13. Fine. 13 centimeter.
Yes, sir. And one diagonal is 10 centimeter.
One diagonal is 10 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So, say this diagonal is of
10.
10 centimeter. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is 13 and half of 10 is 5. This is 5 centimeter.
Yes, sir.
So by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right? So hypotenuse is 13 square plus equal to perpendicular square plus base is 5 square. So 169 is equal to p square plus 25. So we get 169 minus 25 is equal to p square. So it is 144 is equal to p square, taking root over both sides. So we have p is equal to 12. So this is 12. So this will also 12. This will also
12.
12. So this whole diagonal is of
24.
24 centimeter. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now what you have to find?
Sir, the length of its other diagonal. So 24 है.
24 okay.
The second is the area of the rhombus.
Now area rhombus is equal to 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Right?
Yes, sir.
So it is 1 by 2 into 10.
Yes, sir.
Into
10.
24.
10.
So 5 times 2, 5 times 2. Yeah, 2 times 5 becomes 10. So 1 time, 5 times. So it is 24 into 5. 5 times 4 times 5 becomes 20. 0, 2. 2 times 5 becomes 10 and 2, 12. So it is 120 centimeter square is the area of rhombus. Right?
Yes.
You get it?
Yes.
Okay. This was. What happens with you? Doing the next one?
Yes.
Done. Okay. Should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
What is your question?
Question number 4.
Which one is? This.
Yes.
What is that?
If the area of circle is
Question number 4. Right? Huh.
if the area of circle is 78.5.
If area of circle is
74.5.
74.5 centimeter square.
Find its circumference.
Find circumference.
Take pi 3.5.
Circumference of circle. Getting? Okay.
Take pi 3.1.
Pi is equal to 3.1.
Yes.
Okay. So what we know, area of circle is equal to pi r square. That is 74.5 is equal to 3.1 into r square. Right? So 74.5 upon 3.1 is equal to r square. Right? How you will solve this? Remove these two decimals. So you get 745 divided by 31 is equal to r square. Right? Now 700.
So 3.14 लेंगे.
Yeah, you said me 3.1.
सर 3.14 बोला था.
$3.14 So there I will write 3.14. So there is 3.14. So there will be 1 0. There will be no 0. So there is 314 up. This is 7,450 divided by
3 by
314, right? So now 7,450 divided by 314. How much you get? Multiplied by 2. 2 times 4 becomes 8. 2 times 1 becomes 2. 3 times 2 becomes 6. Okay. Now this is, you borrow 1 from here, it becomes 3, it is 15. 15 minus 8 becomes 7. 3 minus 2 becomes 1. 6 minus 7 minus 6 becomes 1. 0 you have taken. If we multiply it by 5, 5 times 4 becomes 20. 0, 2. 5 times 1 becomes
5, 6, 7.
huh? This area is correct. Oh, that's why. $78.5. So we'll write here 78.5. So we'll write here 7,000. This is 7,850. Right? So this 7,850 divided by 314, it becomes 2 times 4 becomes 8. 2 times 1 becomes 1. 2 times 3 becomes 6. We borrowed from here. It is 7. It is 1. 15 minus 8 becomes 7.
25.
7 minus 2 becomes 5. 7 and 1. 0. We take 5 here. 5 times 4 becomes 20. 2. 5 times 1 becomes 5 and 2 7, and 3 times 5 becomes 15. This is, so we get R square is equal to 25. So taking root over both sides, R is equal to 5 centimeter. Right? Now we have to find circumference, no?
Yes.
Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. So 2 into 3.14 into 5. 2 times 5 becomes 10. 10 into 3.14, it becomes 31.4 centimeter. This is the perimeter. circumference of the circle. It is asking circumference or perimeter? Circumference. Circle में perimeter and circumference are same. Anyway, what is your question?
Sir, the cross section of a swimming pool. The cross section of a ABCD in a swimming pool is a trapezium in width AB equals to 14 meter. Depth at
Cross section of swimming pool समझते हो क्या होता है? Like this. This is cross section of swimming pool is like this. This is the shallow end. This is the deep end. Right?
Yes, sir.
So this is like this.
इससे बना है sir.
वो छोड़ो, अब मेरे को बताओ क्या है. अब साइड्स क्या दी गई हैं?
Sir,
शैलो एंड का डिस्टेंस कितना है सरफेस से?
so 1.5 meter.
दिस इज 1.5 मीटर और द डीप एंड
Yeah, sorry sir. So one. Okay, sir, 8 meter है.
हाँ
सर ये 8 मीटर से उस साइड 1.5 मीटर है.
ये 8 मीटर ना.
नहीं, ये 1.5 है सर, वो 8 मीटर है.
अरे कैसे हो सकता है यार, ये बड़ा होगा. वो कोई दिक्कत नहीं, मैंने पलट दिया, उससे कोई मतलब नहीं है. 8 मीटर, 8 मीटर विल बी ग्रेटर ना.
Yes, sir.
So how I can write it 8 and it is 1.5?
Sir, 14 meter.
क्या this distance
Yes, sir, width is 14 meter.
14 meter. So what do you have to find?
Sir, depth at the shallow end is 1.5 meter and the depth
At the
find
deep-
the area of the cross section.
Area of cross section, huh? So this is trapezium, right?
Yes, sir.
So area trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 into sum of parallel sides into height. Right?
Yes, sir.
So your question number?
Second.
So this is 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side is 8 plus 1.5 into height is 14. It is 7 times 2 becomes 14. It is 7
Yes, sir.
and it is 9.5 into 7. 5 times 7 becomes 35.
35.
5 3 carry. 9 times 7 becomes 63 and 3 66. So it is 66.5 centimeter square. Right? So area cross section of trapezium is equal to 66.5
66.5
centimeter
square.
square. Great. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What you are doing?
Question number is 5.
Done?
Yes.
Okay. Which you are doing?
6.
No, you done 5 now.
Sorry, 5.
Keep doing.
Yes, sir.
You doing third?
Sorry.
Now you go to your last question. This one?
Yes, sir. Area of polygon.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. Find the area of polygon.
So there is a polygon PS. Question number
16.
16. There is a baseline. This is called PS. Right?
Yes, sir.
This is PS. Fine. Now, on this, there is a QV perpendicular. Yeah?
QV perpendicular.
QV perpendicular. Okay. Then there is R X. There is one more perpendicular, that is RX. R and X. Another there is this is this is W, right?
Yes, sir.
And there is one more, that is YT. Y
T.
and T. This is right. So now what do you do, man? This is the polygon.
Yes, sir.
This is the polygon. And this is the polygon. Now we come to this polygon. Right? Now we come to this. And then we go to this. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is given us? This is of QV is 5 centimeter. This is of 5 centimeter. And this is 6 centimeter. This is perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. This is also perpendicular. And this is also perpendicular. Fine. And there is 4 centimeter. This is of
4 centimeter.
4 centimeter. And this is
2.
2 centimeter. Fine. Now, what is horizontal line? Done?
Sir, answer wrong.
Which one?
Fifth.
Anyway, I'm telling you, just wait. In the meantime, you do the next one. Molo.
Sir, in that joining figure, PS equals to 11 centimeter.
PS total. PS is equal to 11 centimeter. Fine.
PY equals to 9 centimeter.
तो पी वाई कहाँ गया?
हमने YT किया है,
पी वाई ये
देखिए
पी वाई इज
9 सेंटीमीटर।
ओके, पी वाई इज 9 सेंटीमीटर.
यस सर।
हाँ,
PX 8 सेंटीमीटर।
पी एक्स 8 सेंटीमीटर.
PW 5 सेंटीमीटर।
पी डब्ल्यू
5 सेंटीमीटर।
5 सेंटीमीटर.
PV 3 सेंटीमीटर।
पी वी 3 सेंटीमीटर.
QV 5।
हाँ,
QV 5 सेंटीमीटर।
कहाँ गया क्यू वी?
वो
वो
सर-
तो लिखा हुआ. That does not require.
सर फिर UW 4 सेंटीमीटर और
एक
RX
मिनट, यू डब्ल्यू हाँ, वो तो लिखा है ना.
RX 6 सेंटीमीटर।
हाँ,
RX
वो लिखा हुआ है RX 6 सेंटीमीटर.
TY भी लिखा हुआ है 2 सेंटीमीटर।
हाँ, ठीक है. ये पीवी दिया गया है ना.
हाँ यस
दिस इज 3 सेंटीमीटर. एंड पी डब्ल्यू कितना है?
PW 5 सेंटीमीटर।
5 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ पी एक्स कितना दिया गया था?
8
8. So px is 8. So this much will be how much? Px is total. P to x is 8. And this is 3. So this is 5 centimeter. Look at here. From here to here, this total px is 8 centimeter.
सेंटीमीटर।
And so this is 3 centimeter. So 8 minus 3 becomes 5. So this is 5 centimeter. And this is how much? Py is 9.
9
Sorry, px is 8.
PX 8
So this much is how much? This much will be, no, 11 minus 8 becomes 3. This is of 3 centimeter. Right? And this is of, this is py is 9 centimeter. So this is of, total is 11. So it is of 2 centimeter. Right?
यस सर।
And py is 9. Pw is 5. So wy is 9 minus 5 becomes 4 centimeter. Getting?
यस सर।
Okay. Now, area triangle. Area triangle 1 is equal to 1 by 2 into
बेस इज टू है।
5 into 3. It is 15 by 2. It becomes 7.5 centimeter square.
यस सर।
This is trapezium. So area trapezium is equal to 1 by 2 bracket sum of parallel sides 5 plus 6 into 5. Huh?
यस सर।
It is how much?
50
11 plus 55
into
by 2. So it is 27.5 centimeter square.
यस सर।
And area triangle ये ये ट्रिपेजियम 1 था, एरिया ट्रायंगल 1 था, ये एरिया ट्रायंगल 2 इज इक्वल टू 1 by 2 into 6 into 3.
यस सर।
So how much you are getting?
18/2
3 times 2 becomes 6, so it is 9. 9 centimeter square.
Yes, sir.
This is how much? Area triangle 3. Area triangle 3. 1 by 2 into 2. 2 and 2 cancel. It becomes 2 meter square. Right?
Yes, sir.
सही है?
सर सेंटीमीटर का भी होगा.
अरे यार, unit centimeter square. Good. This is area trapezium 2. Trapezium 2 is equal to 1 by 2 bracket parallel sides 4 plus 2 into 4. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 4 plus 2 becomes 6 into 2 becomes 12 centimeter square. Great. Now this is area triangle. Area
Triangle.
4 is equal to 1 by 2
5.
into base into height. So 1 by 2 into 5 into 4. 2 times 2 becomes 4. 5 times 2 becomes 10. So 10 centimeter square. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Now, area polygon. Area polygon is equal to area triangle 1 plus area triangle 2 plus area triangle 3 plus area triangle 4 plus area trapezium 1 plus area trapezium 2. You get that?
Yes, sir.
There are 4 triangles, 2 trapeziums. So how much you get? Tell me now. First one is 7.5 plus
27.5.
27.5. अबे नहीं. First you tell me the triangles.
Triangle that
7.5.
Nine.
This is 9. Then 2.
10.
Then 10. Then trapezium 27.5
12.
plus
12.
12. This is centimeter square. So now how much? If we add 7.5, this is what? 5 plus 5 becomes 10.
10.
0. 1 carry. Right?
Yes, sir.
1 carry here. So 7 plus 7, 14. 1, 15. 1, 35.
35.
So ये 35 plus 9 plus 2 becomes 11.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Plus 10 plus 12 becomes 22.
22.
So now you get 35. This is centimeter square. 35 plus 33.
33.
It becomes 68 centimeter square. So area of polygon is
68.
68 centimeter square. Check your answer, please.
68 centimeters square.
Done?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
So what you was doing, man?
Saying your solution.
Take the picture of the solution and copy it from it. आराम से लेना प्रॉपरली. राइटिंग
Okay.
अब कर लोगे देख कैसे इसको
Sir.
ऐसे कर लेना then you get it. Okay, you do it. Now you come. Hey भगवान, which you are doing, man?
Yes.
ये जो तूने ये बनाया ये कर लिया. ये तो ये अभी रुक गया मतलब I'll tell you when we are sitting alone together. It's very difficult to find out this because semicircular area is there. Which you want to ask?
So question number 5.
Huh? What is your question number 5?
From a square of cardboard.
एक मिनट wait. Question number 5. Huh? What is that?
From a square
From a square
cardboard,
cardboard.
a circle of biggest area was cut out.
From a square cardboard, a circle of biggest area cut off.
If the area of circle is 154 centimeter,
If area of circle is 154 centimeter square,
calculate the original area of the cardboard.
calculate original area of cardboard, right? This is your question. Fine. Suppose we have a cardboard like this. Square, na? Square cardboard. This is and this is square cardboard. Now cut off area of circle of biggest area. Okay, if this is the center, so you cut off a circle, right? Like this, like this. Like this and like this. This is the circle of largest area, right? So This is the diameter and this is the diameter. Right? This is the center of circle. Right? As area of circle is equal to pi r square is equal to 154 centimeter square. Up to what time you play?
It's 7K.
(22 by 7) into r square is equal to 154. Right? So r square is equal to 154 into 7 by 22. 7 times 22 becomes 154. 7 times. So you get r square is equal to
49.
7 into 7. Take root over both sides. So radius is equal to 7 centimeters. Right? Side of a square is equal to diameter of circle is equal to 2r. So it becomes 2 into 17, it becomes 14. Right? Side of a square is diameter of the, this is, you said, 7 centimeter. And this diameter is 14 centimeter. And diameter is equal to side of a square. Right? So now area of square is equal to side square.
Sir, 2 sevens are 14 होगा.
Oh, sorry, I know that by mistake I wrote 2 times 7 becomes 14. I'm very sorry. 14. So 14 square, 14 whole square,
196.
196 centimeter square. Right? So area of square is equal to 196 centimeter square. You done this?
Yes.
Punya?
Yes.
So okay. How many questions you have done? You come to now, huh?
So 4.
One more you do and leave. How many you done?
3.
Hmm?
पहला दूसरा और मैं
So जो कर रहे थे वही वाला कर लो.
कर लो. कहाँ है?
पहला दूसरा
तीसरा. Should I rub this?
Yes.
the area of trapezium.
I told you trapezium how to find out. You tell me the question. What is your question? What is your question number?
3.
9.
Question number 9. It is a semicircle.
Yes.
Hmm?
Yes.
It is a semicircle like this. Right? What it is asking for? There is,
Triangle.
this is the center O, and there is a triangle inside it. Hmm?
Yes.
What are dimensions?
12 and 16.
This is 12. This is 16. This is of 90 degree. Right? So, by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Right? So it is 12 square plus 16 square. 144 plus 256. It becomes how much?
400.
400. So h square is equal to 400 centimeter, no?
Yes.
Centimeter. So taking root over both sides. So h becomes, so h is 20 centimeter. So this is 20. That is equal to diameter. So radius is r is equal to
10.
10 centimeter. So what do you have to find?
Area of shaded.
What is the shaded region? Okay.
So pi की value है 3.142.
Pi is 3.142. So area shaded region, area shaded region is equal to area semicircle minus area triangle. Area semicircle is
1/2.
Ama- pi r. You have done this?
Yes.
Hey Bhagwan. Pi r square by 2, and this is 1 by 2, 16 into 12. 2 times 6 times 2 becomes 6, and this is 3.142 into 100 by 2 minus 96. So how much you get? 1.142 1.57 1 multiplied by 100, 157.10 minus 96. How much you get?
61. 61 point.
157.1.
0 तो हट जाएगा.
हाँ ठीक है. That is 96.0. This 1 we have taken. 7 minus 6 becomes 1. 15 minus 6, 9 becomes 6. So this is 61.1 centimeter square. Area shaded region. Done? This is correct?
Yes. Yes.
करेंगे बोल जाओ. तुम्हारा क्या हुआ?
ये करने जा रहा हूँ. ये करने जा रहा हूँ
अभी तक तुम क्या कर रहे थे?
सर. इसमें 7/2 into 10 to 2 into 25 करेंगे.
Area of trapezium. Should I write this?
Yes.
ठीक है. Question number
3rd. The area of trapezium is 360 meters square.
Area trapezium is
360 meters square.
360
meters square.
meter square.
The distance between
एक मिनट.
ए नहीं तू सुनो तेरे को मैंने पीली गोली पड़ी है बस बीपी वाली ना वो एक दे दो चले ना
Area trapezium is
360
पता
square.
चलती है
The distance between two parallel sides. The distance between two parallel sides.
distance between two parallel sides
Is 20 meter,
20 meter
and one of the parallel side is 25 meter.
and one parallel side is
25 meter. Find the other parallel side.
some meter में
Yes,
meter 25 meter. Okay, so I want to reach that side. Question number 3. Now area trapezium,
1/2 sum of all parallel sides.
trapezium, do it.
Yes, sir.
1/2 sum of parallel sides parallel sides into height, right?
Yes, sir.
And this is 360 is equal to 1/2 bracket 25 plus x into how much?
20.
20. So this is cancelled. 10 times 2 becomes 20, right?
Yes, sir.
And this comes, so 360 divided by 10 is equal to 25 plus x. So it is 36 minus 25 is equal to x. So what it is?
11.
So this is 11 is equal to 6. So other parallel side is equal to
11.
11
Meters.
meter, right?
Yes, sir.
Let parallel side to be find is equal to x meter. This is the solution of whole question of yours. You get this?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. Thank you for today.